Okay, this is it, guys. The final level. We're talking about the Mega Marble Run. First, grab some cardboard tubes. You can keep them long for tunnels or cut them into short boosters. I'm gonna snip some windows in mine so we can peek at the marble racing through. Next, we're building this right on the wall. Use painter's tape, it won't mess up your paint! Start high and work your way down! Make sure every piece has a slight downward angle so gravity can do its thing. I'm even adding a tricky zigzag section for extra flair. And for the grand finale, tape a cup at the bottom to catch the marble. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Let's do this! 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! It made it. Level complete. You know what that means? The giant golden crate is unlocked! And inside, it's the Master Creator Badge. I'm giving one to you for watching. If you want more creative fun, click the video right here. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.